The fountain of youth energy at any age. Imagine a life where age is just a number and your energy levels defy the years. Who says age has to slow you down? The truth is, it doesn't have to. With the right mindset and lifestyle choices, you can maintain a vibrant, active life well into your golden years. It's a common misconception that our later years have to be defined by fatigue and weakness. Many believe that as we age, our bodies are destined to slow down and our energy levels are bound to drop. But this doesn't have to be your reality. The truth is, with the right approach to our health, we can enjoy vitality and strength no matter our age. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and a positive outlook can make all the difference. One simple way to supercharge your energy levels is with a delicious and easy-to-make drink. This isn't just any drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients designed to fuel your body and mind. This isn't some magical potion, but a blend of natural ingredients, each with its own power to invigorate your body and mind. Fresh fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals are the cornerstone of this energy-boosting elixir. Let's unlock the secrets of this energy-boosting elixir, designed to help you feel your best, even at 80 and beyond. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, ready to take on whatever comes your way. We'll break down each ingredient, exploring its unique properties and how it contributes to your overall well-being. Ginger, for instance, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to boost digestion. Honey, a natural sweetener, provides a quick energy boost and is rich in antioxidants. Lemons, packed with vitamin C, help to detoxify the body and support the immune system. Get ready to discover a simple yet effective way to reclaim your energy and live life to the fullest, no matter your age. Whether you're cycling through the park or hiking with friends, this drink can help you stay active and engaged. This drink is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a testament that age is just a number. It's a reminder that with the right choices, you can continue to enjoy life's pleasures and adventures. By incorporating this simple recipe into your routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, more energetic you. It's an easy addition to your daily life that can have profound effects on your overall well-being. So, let's dive in and explore the incredible benefits that await. Together, we'll uncover how this drink can transform your energy levels and help you embrace each day with enthusiasm and vigor. Cheers to a more vibrant, energetic you. Coffee's kickstart, more than just a morning jolt. Coffee, the beloved beverage of millions, is renowned for its ability to jumpstart our mornings. For many, it's the first thing they reach for after waking up, a ritual that signals the start of a new day. But did you know that this dark, aromatic drink offers more than just a caffeine kick? Beyond its rich flavor and comforting warmth, coffee has a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond the initial jolt of energy. Coffee boasts a range of health benefits, particularly when it comes to circulation and energy levels. It's not just about waking up, it's about staying energized and alert throughout the day. The secret lies in coffee's caffeine content, a natural stimulant that boosts alertness and focus. This powerful compound is what makes coffee such an effective tool for combating drowsiness and enhancing mental clarity. Caffeine works by stimulating the central nervous system, increasing blood flow, and delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. This process not only wakes you up, but also keeps your brain functioning at its best. This enhanced circulation not only fights fatigue, but also improves cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused. Whether you're working on a complex project or studying for an exam, coffee can be your ally in maintaining peak performance. But that's not all. Coffee is also a good source of antioxidants, which combat free radicals and protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining overall health and preventing various diseases. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, making coffee a smart choice for overall health. Regular coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So, the next time you reach for a cup of joe, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, but also giving your body a powerful boost. Enjoying coffee is more than a simple pleasure. It's a way to enhance your well-being and support your health in the long run. Moreover, coffee has a social aspect that can't be overlooked. Sharing a cup of coffee with friends or colleagues can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. It's a universal language of connection and camaraderie. From the artistry of a perfectly crafted latte to the simple joy of a home-brewed cup, coffee brings people together and adds a touch of warmth to our daily lives. So savor each sip and appreciate the many ways coffee enriches our days. Whether you're starting your day, taking a break, or winding down in the evening, coffee is there to accompany you. It's more than just a drink. It's a companion that enhances every moment. So embrace the full experience of coffee, from the rich aroma to the invigorating taste. Let it be a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the benefits that come with them. In every cup, there's a story, a tradition, and a promise of a better day. Cheers to coffee, the beloved beverage that does so much more than just wake us up. Honey's sweet secret, nature's golden elixir. Honey, nature's golden nectar, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. This sweet, viscous liquid is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants, offering a wide range of health benefits. From soothing sore throats to promoting wound healing, honey's versatility is truly remarkable. But one of honey's lesser-known benefits is its potential to enhance vitality and even act as a natural aphrodisiac. This is because honey is a rich source of natural sugars, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Unlike refined sugars that lead to energy crashes, honey's natural sugars are slowly absorbed into the bloodstream, providing sustained energy levels throughout the day. Moreover, honey contains a unique blend of enzymes and amino acids that support hormone balance, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels and libido. These compounds work synergistically to promote overall well-being, making honey a sweet and healthy addition to your daily routine. Section 4. Zinc Power. Honey's hidden weapon for vitality. Honey's sweetness isn't its only secret weapon. Hidden within this golden elixir is a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining energy and vitality, especially for men: zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral involved in numerous bodily functions, including immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. But when it comes to energy and vitality, zinc truly shines in its role in testosterone production. Testosterone is a key hormone that regulates muscle mass, bone density, and libido in men. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, which can contribute to fatigue, low mood, and decreased muscle mass. Honey's zinc content can help support healthy testosterone levels, promoting energy, vitality, and overall well-being. By including honey in your diet, you're providing your body with this essential mineral, helping to combat age-related decline and maintain your youthful vigor. Section 5. Brewing the elixir coffee meets honey. Now that we've explored the individual benefits of coffee and honey, let's dive into the first step of creating our energy-boosting elixir. Coffee, known for its rich aroma and robust flavor, is a staple in many households. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural sweetener packed with antioxidants and nutrients. When combined, these two ingredients create a powerful blend that not only tastes great, but also provides a sustained energy boost. This simple step involves combining these two powerful ingredients, creating a base that's both delicious and invigorating. The process is straightforward, yet the result is a delightful beverage that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Whether you're looking for a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon energy boost, this coffee and honey blend is perfect. Start by brewing a fresh cup of your favorite coffee. The method you choose can affect the flavor profile of your drink. You might opt for an espresso machine for a strong concentrated shot, or a French press for a richer, more full-bodied brew. Each method brings out different nuances in the coffee, allowing you to tailor the drink to your personal preference. Whether you prefer a robust espresso or a smooth Americano, the choice is yours. Espresso offers a bold, intense flavor, while an Americano provides a milder, more diluted taste. Both serve as excellent bases for our honey-infused coffee. Once your coffee is brewed, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, organic honey to the cup. Raw honey is unprocessed and retains all of its natural goodness, including enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. This not only enhances the flavor of your coffee, but also adds a nutritional boost. The amount of honey you add can be adjusted to your liking, but remember that a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and taste as you go, adding more if needed. The sweetness of the honey will complement the bitterness of the coffee, creating a balanced and harmonious flavor. Using raw honey is crucial, as it retains all of its natural enzymes and nutrients that are often destroyed during processing. This means you're getting the full health benefits of honey, including its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It's a small change that makes a big difference in the quality of your drink. Gently stir the honey into the hot coffee until it dissolves completely, creating a rich, aromatic blend. The warmth of the coffee helps to melt the honey, allowing it to mix evenly and infuse the drink with its natural sweetness. Take your time with this step to ensure that the honey is fully incorporated. This simple combination is the foundation of our energy drink, providing a quick caffeine kick and sustained energy from honey's natural sugars. The result is a delicious, nutritious beverage that can help you power through your day. Enjoy your coffee with honey as a delightful treat that not only tastes good, but also supports your overall well-being.